Hi, it's Robin Pilley of CXG Property Services. I'm going to be speaking at the Essex Property Network event on Tuesday the 13th of March. I will be talking about our successful tribunal victory over our local council, which could increase the return on your property by up to an incredible 30%. Unlike HMOs, you do not have to undertake any of the costly fire work regulation. You can obtain capital allowances, and because it was made a test case, it can be applied all over the UK. I want to invite you to the fantastic event on the 13th of March, and I look forward to meeting everybody there. Thank you.